Okay, so far we've done a textbook lesson, forum post, and we've done another textbook lesson. So now we're on to StudyJam's physical and chemical changes of matter. Right-click, open in a new tab. Let's see what this is. Yes. All right, so like I said before, you can do this in another window. Right-click, open in a new tab if you don't like doing it inside here. You're going to watch the video. You're going to test yourself. The reason you test yourself is many of these questions are borrowed from StudyJam, so you can get a good, easy score if you pay attention to the video and you use the quiz inside of StudyJams. After StudyJams, we have Bill Nye. Right-click, open in a new tab. If you've not already logged in, you can log in here. Right-click, open in a new tab. You use your Odyssey login and password to get into this part. You can use Moodle, however you use to get in here. Log in. Once you're logged in, go back so you can see the video. This is Chemical Reactions, Bill Nye. Remember, you can make the screen larger like that, clicking that button. The navigation buttons come up down here. If you need to stop, press pause so you can take notes or write something down or walk away. If you need to rewind, you can do that too. If you missed something. Once you are done watching the video, press escape to get back to normal, and then you can press the next button below the screen. You've got a question. It says, when a popsicle melts, is that a physical or chemical change? And you click it and submit. After that, go back to your list. After Bill Nye, the science guy, chemical reactions, you've got weathering and erosion review. Right-click, open in a new tab. Let's take a look. Log in here. We are already logged in to Safari Montage, so let's see if this works. Press next. If you're already logged in, if you didn't exit out of your computer, you should be able to see it. Yes. You can watch the video. Remember, you can pause, but keep an eye on this question here. It says, is weathering a physical change, a chemical change, or both? When you click it, after you watch the video, you'll have to type in your answer right here. This one is worth a grade, so be careful and do a good job. Use the video to answer the question. After weathering and erosion review, you've got physical and chemical change Venn diagram. We talked about that earlier. Right-click, open in a new tab. Submit your physical and chemical change Venn diagram below. You can download it here. You already had it from earlier. You may also submit a paper or pencil Venn diagram if that's what you choose. So if you want to turn one in on the computer, remember we worked on that before. You just edit what's in here. Type something about only physical change. Physical changes. Physical changes are. You can edit what I did, save it on your desktop, and then upload it to Moodle. Or you could just do it on a piece of paper and submit it that way. But you would submit here right below there. Once you're done submitting that, you just have a quiz and then you're almost done. Yay! Right-click, open in a new tab, Bullseye, the temperature of change quiz. You may use any notes you've taken. Don't forget to submit your answers at the end. So notes are encouraged. Use your notes. Click the button. It says, what are the visible signs of a chemical change? List 3 of them. How does increasing the temperature affect a chemical change? Tell one example of a chemical change. Temperature can cause physical change. Tell one example of how temperature causes a physical change. Tell some of the physical changes that happen to a rock as it's pushed down a river. That's called weathering. Next. Once you type in answers for all of those, it'll change this from not answered yet to answered, and you can submit all and finish. If you submit that, you are done with the whole folder, and you'll get a completed little thing that pops up, and then you can move on to the next week's folder called Mixtures, which is down here. Let me know if you need any help. Contact me, please. Good luck.